neuromuscular junction, and here the axon terminal connects to the neuromuscular junction, to the muscle.
Okay.
Again, this is one axon terminal connecting to the muscle.
Okay.
So this axon terminal is what this is.
The outer covering?
This whole thing is the
okay.
axon terminal. So
Okay.
here will be an axon, here will be the cell body, and the dendrites.
Okay, okay.
So this is just terminal, and here will be the muscle. So here will be the muscle like this.
Okay.
Okay.
So sort of this is the same as this. This is the neuromuscular junction. You see these white dots?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
These are the same white dots as these.
Okay.
Okay? Because this is again the neuromuscular junction, the nerve to the muscle.
Okay.
And there's nothing much here, it's only the vesicles. These vesicles are called neurosynaptic vesicles,
Okay.
or simply synaptic vesicles.
Okay.
The synaptic vesicles have those neurotransmitters.
Okay.
What are neurotransmitters? Neurotransmitters are chemicals
Okay.
that cross from nerve to nerve or nerve to muscle
Okay.
to communicate.
Okay.
So if there is any charge flowing along the nerve or the neuron,
Okay.
that charge will end up here, breaking up these vesicles,
Okay.
and these vesicles will release the neurotransmitters from here, acetylcholine,
Okay.
and those neurotransmitters will reach either, if it's acetylcholine, it will be specific for muscles.
Okay.
If it's something else like adrenaline or something else, epinephrine,
okay.
it'll be for other nerves,
Okay.
GABA for other nerves.
Okay.
And those neurotransmitters, in this case, the acetylcholine, will reach the muscle end plate. This is the muscle end plate.
Okay.
The muscle end plate is the cell membrane of the muscle cell,
Okay.
which is in direct contact or which makes synapse with the neuromuscular junction, with the nerve,
Okay.
axon terminal.
Okay.
So this will stimulate the cell membrane of the muscle, the muscle
and
end
through
plate,
that, okay.
and through this there will be charge inflow,
Okay.
and those charges will flow along the muscles now, muscle cell.
Okay. Okay.
Those charges will get into these. These are called the T tubules.
Okay.
So they will get into these through the T tubules.
Okay.
And from here, when the charges flow through the T tubules, these yellow things are called sarcoplasmic reticulum.
Okay.
The sarcoplasmic reticulum has lots of calcium in it.
Okay.
So when charges reach the sarcoplasmic reticulum through the T tubules, the calcium is released.
Okay.
Those calciums will go and stimulate these structures. These are the myosin and the actin.
Yeah.
And then the myosin and actin, with the help of calcium and ATPs, will get into each other,
Okay.
and the muscle will be contracted.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay. I have a question.
Mhm.
The myosin and actin, which one's which?
Here it's difficult, but mostly it's not according to myosin actin, it's according to the bands.
Okay.
And the dark bands are the A bands, white bands are the I bands. So you need to know that these white bands are the I bands, dark bands are the A bands. So the A bands are mostly myosin,
Okay.
the I bands are mostly actin.
So we don't have to know the individual ones that cross across each other. Right?
At least my students don't need to know, but I don't know whether your
okay.
instructor wants
Well,
it to
yeah,
know.
it'd be hard to label on there.
Yes,
right?
it'll be hard to label on this, that's why.
Okay.
We can ask like individual questions, putting diagrams, but asking those in these, it'll be difficult,
Okay.
confusing.
So just know that the dark band is myosin and
Dark band is the myosin.
and the light band.
Actually, it's not totally myosin. If you see here, the actin gets into myosin. The thin lines are the actin, the thick lines are the myosin.
Okay.
Though the dark whole area is myosin, but there will be some actin over there. That's why I said that you cannot
mostly.
specifically designate these as myosin or actin,
Okay.
because part of the actin will be within the myosin.
Okay. So just say mostly myosin and mostly actin.
You can say that. You
Okay.
can say that, or you can say A band and I band.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. As I is for isogenic. I forgot the name. Okay, you don't have it here. Anyways, so A band and I band. You can simply say that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
My pleasure.